Well, I thought I'd do just a quick video because this one's coming apart pretty easy. So, if you have this style of mirror on your square body truck or you want to install them, let me show you how easy they are to remove. A lot easier than the elephant style because you have to pull the door panel off to get inside these. It's all external. So we've got a T25. Can't read in this light. T20 bit. There's a Torx head screw right underneath here. Just a little guy. Save those just in case. This cover drops right down. The other side it snapped off. But we've got 3 7/16 nuts. Come off the studs. I don't know if I'm going to try to give away this driver's side mirror if anybody wants it. The passenger side was all smashed up, so it's really no good. Glass is all busted and the housing's all buggered up. Now, you lift it off. Oh, actually, before you do that, get that wire connector undid. I did on the other side. A small flathead screwdriver. Although this one is backwards. So it's got a retainer clip here holding it in place. Just pop that to release it. See if we can flip the wiring around. Get the retainer clip undone, and then I just took a pair of pliers to grab one end and worked it out. And just like that. Come on, let go. Boom. There's your power driver's side mirror. Ooh, look at the spider's egg nest there. Just grind that in the dirt. These collect a lot of junk behind them. So I'm going to be converting this truck over to the elephant style here. So unfortunately, this is not the correct mounting point. It's got to be further forward and down a little bit. So, but I'll pop those out. Bent a little bit. Some rivets here for something, or maybe a plate or something back in it's held in there. But the elephant ear style, they've got a plate that kind of matches the shape of the mounting base that goes on the door and back there, and 3 screws, and it's just like a big flat washer to help back it up so not all that weight is on that, just the sheet metal. So, well, there you go, quick and easy. That's how you remove those. Electrical wiring, I'm going to run powered heated mirrors, not adjustable, just heated mirrors on this truck, so I might just be able to tap into that. Have to see what the requirement is for the heaters and all that, and make sure that everything's good there. But there we go. Square body's in work. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to start cleaning up and get the heck out of here. It's getting late in the day, and Memorial Day is just about over. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. So see y'all later. Bye bye.